कुठे चालला तुम्ही दोघी? येस. चल.
Can you come with me? Come with me. Mama, come with me. Come with me.
तू परत तिथंच घेऊन जाते यार.
You like the mini one?
Yeah, because then I don't need a stool from your under thing. I'm not able to get it. Okay?
Okay.
And here,
Huh?
This is what belongs in my room.
and this is what belongs in my room.
Really? I don't think we are buying separate pages.
Actually, can I have this in my room? Can I
Wait,
have
this one is.
Same.
That is cool. So what if I got
Okay, touch it. चल पुढे.
this one? Wi-Fi.
What? Westinghouse.
I like that. I like this one. But it's $3,000. You can buy a Samsung fridge with the iPad connected to it. I like that money.
Okay, LG.
Okay, I love this thing. And choose whichever one you want. Ice cubes, ice set.
Open it, please.
Oh,
Oh, wow. This is like a big cupboard.
I like it. Look, you can keep all the custard over here.
And you can watch it all day.
Okay, let's see how much it costs.
And there's a water.
Hey, that's actually cheaper than that one.
Yeah,
This
really.
one. This one.
Mama, I think I just saw my pizza.
This?
Kutle.
Look at this one.
This one's more expensive than that one.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
This one's good.
Double door.
Can't do that.
I'm gonna go scratching that.
Hey, this one's actually.
इकडे बघू.
Yeah. I'm gonna see this one.
4-star energy.
So this is what. So
Consumption.
this is when you pour your water.
Hmm?
You can either have this shape or this shape for the ice.
Yeah.
I think that's the bubble,
Yeah.
and this is the ice.
Bubble नहीं है ते.
You just press those to get them out. Open it.
Pull it. Pull it.
This.
Oh, wow.
Eat. This one is not good. This is not good.
Really big, big,
Fish, bread,
big.
and ham. Fish,
Bread.
bread, and ham.
Yeah. $2,000.
Oh, look at this.
आपण ते LG चं बघितलं का ना?
It has this thing, which
Yeah.
is amazing. 'cause it
LG
has
है ना?
cubed ice, crushed
Crushed
ice, and
ice.
like cold water. And there's a door in a door.
चालेल एक मिनिट.
There's a door in a door. Like, that's so cool. Just grab your custard.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see. When you pull this thing out, you can just take this out and then scoop out your ice, put it in your water,
Oh.
scoop it, put it in your water, put it there and put it back. Once you have your water, put it on the table, wherever. Have some fruit.
It's not real. Not real.
Aria, come here.
Oh no, that's not real. Hmm. Okay.
I want lemon. Lemons are so yummy.
This is our generation. बरं फायनल सांगा कुठला फ्रीज घ्यायचा आहे.
The one I wanted.
काय आहे त्याच्यामध्ये विशेष एवढं? सो वी आर बाईंग दॅट.
Well, I'm just gonna come up a bit on this angle.
Yeah, great, then go and grab. Yeah, yeah, I got you. I know what you're doing. I got you. I'm with you. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we go. Oh, beautiful, bro. What's that? Garage door, front door?
Just that's the easiest way I can see.
Hold on. Go towards the wall, brother.
Yeah, I'm just gonna shimmy a bit.
Yeah. That door can... Hold on, bro.
Yeah.
Door handle's on the door.
I'm trying to go
Hit
all
it.
the way to try and touch the back.
Yeah. Just go a bit to the front, just support. Yep, there you go.
I've got no eyes or so.
Yeah, I think good, bro. Yeah.
I've got 3, 2, 1, yeah.
Millimeters. Coming down, bro, if you want. Just come down. I got your weight. You're beautiful, bro. Beautiful now, brother. Just come down. Yeah, come down. Why not? Over if you want.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, pushing.
3, 2, 1.
What?
Did you already clean it?
No.
Let's check the top.
But this tape is secret.
ते टेप काढ वरचा.
3, 2, 1, 3.
वरती पण आहे टेप. हा. And you वाव. बघू इकडे अन्वी. अनु माझ्याकडे बघू. ये.
There's like some of this around it. I thought it was cold. Look at this. This I can use for a bit. I'm gonna use this for jumping. Actually, I'll put this in and open the windows. Yes!
Really?
I want to see the veggie thing.
Mom. Come.
Here.
This
This is where you keep ice and stuff.
Egg.
is it.
Uh-huh.